Is your vehicle ready for the freezing cold? Winter driving doesn't have to be stressful or dangerous. In this video, I'm reviewing 12 must-have car accessories that will keep you safe, warm, and in control on the road this season. From heavy-duty jump starters and emergency kits to snow removal tools, these Amazon finds are essential upgrades for any driver. Whether you're commuting to work or planning a snowy road trip, don't leave the driveway without these gadgets. Econour windshield cover. Scraping ass off your windshield is a miserable way to start the morning. The Econour windshield cover shields your glass with 600D Oxford fabric to effectively block snow and sleet. It features anti-theft side flaps that lock inside the doors, making it one of the most practical car accessories for winter protection. Now, to be completely fair, it does not fit RVs or heavy-duty trucks larger than an F-150. However, the universal design works perfectly for most standard sedans and SUVs, installing in under a minute. Heavy rain often turns side mirrors into useless, blurry surfaces. Boao waterproof mirror film restores visibility using nano-coated stickers that repel water and reduce glare during storms. These simple Amazon gadgets enhance safety by preventing fog and keeping blind spots clear. That said, there is one clear limitation worth noting. The manufacturer notes the effect is not obvious in very light rain. During heavy downpours, however, the film significantly improves driving vision to help you reach your destination safely. Gripping a freezing steering wheel is a painful way to drive. The Kafeek elastic cover solves this with breathable microfiber ice silk that stays warm in winter and cool in summer. It serves as one of the simplest interior mods for cars, protecting the wheel from wear while improving grip. There is one aspect that may not work for everyone. It strictly fits middle-sized steering wheels between 14.5 and 15 inches. If your vehicle fits this range, the elastic band ensures any adult can install it instantly. Being stranded with a dead battery is every driver's worst nightmare. The Wolfbox 3000A jump starter gets you moving again, starting up to 8.0-liter gas engines, while offering a built-in 160 psi air compressor. It doubles as a power bank and flashlight, ranking it among cool car gadgets for emergencies. Before moving on, it's important to mention one drawback. The package does not include a wall charging adapter. That said, it charges fully in just 90 minutes via USB-C, ensuring you are always ready for the road. Storing heavy jugs of washer fluid takes up valuable trunk space. Awave Bloom washer fluid tablets offer a space-saving alternative where one tablet creates a gallon of cleaning solution. This product revolutionizes car cleaning by effectively removing dirt and reducing wiper noise. This works well overall, but one point deserves attention. You are required to manually mix the tablet with water in a container or the wiper jar. Despite this extra step, a single pack provides 100 gallons of fluid, saving you significant money. Reaching the middle of a snowy windshield can be physically exhausting. The AstroAI ice scraper extends up to 47.2 inches, featuring a 180-degree pivoting brush to clear roofs without strain. It includes a squeegee for water removal, making it one of the top Amazon must-haves for winter. It's only fair to point out one drawback here. You must assemble the detachable parts yourself before use. However, this design allows it to break down easily for space-saving storage in your trunk. Driving on underinflated tires is a hidden danger many drivers ignore. The Tymate TM7 monitoring system plugs into your cigarette lighter to display real-time pressure and temperature data. This cool tech features 6 alarm modes and an extra USB port for charging devices. From a realistic standpoint, one drawback appears. You will need an additional repeater if towing trailers specifically over 36 feet long. For most standard vehicles, however, the system sets up in 5 minutes and calibrates automatically. You never know when a simple road trip might turn into an emergency. The Everlit Survival Kit keeps you safe with 108 essential items, including a digital tire inflator and first aid supplies. Designed by veterans, these must-have car accessories cover everything from battery failures to minor injuries. To be transparent, there is one downside to consider. The jumper cables offer 300 amp output, which is intended only for standard vehicles. Nevertheless, the kit remains compact and lightweight, providing immense peace of mind. Changing a tire on a dark highway feels incredibly dangerous. Ecoangel LED road flares provide critical warning signals with 9 flashing modes and magnetic bases that attach to your vehicle. As highly effective cool car accessories, they are waterproof and crush-proof enough to withstand heavy traffic. While the benefits are clear, there is one trade-off. You must remember to recharge them when the indicator turns red. However, a single charge offers a standby time of over 1 year, ensuring they are ready. Dirty slush and mud can permanently ruin your car's interior carpet. Husky Liner's weather beater mats provide heavy-duty protection with laser scan design that traps spills effectively. They're considered car accessories must-have items for maintaining your vehicle's value. No product is perfect, and this one is no exception. These are designed specifically for the 2018 to 2022 Honda Accord sedan only. Because of this specificity, the custom fit is far superior to universal mats, and the material is guaranteed for life. Deep snow can trap your vehicle before you even leave the driveway. The AstroAI folding snow shovel offers a portable solution constructed from durable aluminum that adjusts up to 38.4 inches to dig out tires. It fits naturally with useful car gadgets because it folds down to just 23 inches. One honest limitation that stands out is this. The shovel tip is designed to break only thin ice, not thick layers. Despite this, its lightweight structure makes it incredibly easy to handle and store for emergencies. Installing heavy metal chains in a blizzard is a frozen nightmare. ISSE snow socks offer a simpler textile alternative, slipping over tires to provide grip using tribologic braiding technology. They eliminate the vibration of metal chains, preventing vehicle damage. One practical limitation is hard to ignore. You must ensure you select the exact size for your tires, such as size 74, for them to fit. However, the patented filaments are 8 times stronger than steel, making them a durable safety measure. Finally, remember that being prepared is the best way to keep yourself and your family safe, especially when the weather gets tough. Don't wait until it's too late. Check out the links down below and grab the gear that fits your car today. If you found this helpful and want to see more car gadgets and tech reviews, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Catch you in the next one. Bye!